Welcome back to Om and Manu's World. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos.
Ten simple lines on Mother's Day. Point number 1. Mother's Day is celebrated on second Sunday in the month of May every year. Point number 2. Mothers are the greatest gift God has given to human beings on earth. Point number 3. Mother's Day is celebrated across the world to express regard, respect, and love towards moms. Point number 4. The idea of Mother's Day was first founded in 1908 by Anna Jarvis in Grafton, West Virginia. Point number 5. Mothers are the strongest pillars of any family. Point number 6. Mother's Day is a special day dedicated to all the mothers over the world. Point number 7. This day reminds us the importance and significance of mothers in our lives. Point number 8. On Mother's Day, many schools conduct events and especially invite mothers to their kids' school to celebrate Mother's Day. Point number 9. On this day, children make handmade greetings and give small gifts to their mothers and grandmothers. Point number 10. This Mother's Day, let us all be thankful and express gratitude to our mother. Happy Mother's Day! Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos.